What's the meaning of address? Address. 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 The term address has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a physical location or the details used to identify a recipient in written communication. In computing, an address is a unique identifier assigned to a device, memory location, or a resource on a network. In the context of public speaking, an address can refer to a formal speech delivered to a group of people. Overall, the term address is a versatile word that carries different meanings depending on the situation. It is used in